Hello everyone, today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 7 and 35 asteroid collisions. We are given an array asteroids of integer representing asteroid in a row. The indices of the asteroid in an array represent their relative position in space. Okay. So for each asteroid, the absolute value represents its size and the sign represents its direction. Positive meaning right direction, negative meaning left direction. Each asteroid moves at the same speed. Find out the state of the asteroid after all collision. If two asteroids meet, the smaller one will explode. If both are the same size, both will explode. The two asteroids moving in the same direction will never meet. Okay. Now let's check this example. Asteroid 5, 10, and minus 5. The 10 and minus 5 will collide, resulting in 10. Okay. So now let's check this example. Okay, we are given this. So we have three asteroid, one with size 10 moving in right direction, another of size 10, size 2 moving in right direction, and another with size 5 moving in left direction. So these two will collide and this one will be destroyed, resulting in 10 and 5 in left direction. Okay, so this again will collide these two, and this one will be destroyed because it is smaller, resulting in 10. Okay, moving in right direction. Let's see 10 and moving in right direction. So let's analyze when will it collide. For example, let's take two asteroid. These two asteroids, when they are moving in both moving in right direction, they will not collide. Okay, when they both are moving in left direction, then also they will not collide. When this is moving left and this is moving right, then also they will not collide. When this is moving right and this is moving left, then only they will collide. So for this it should be positive and for this it should be negative. Okay. So what we will do, we will take a stack and we will check if the top of the stack is positive and the current element is negative, then only the collision will take place. Okay. For example, let's take this example 10. Since stack is empty, we will insert. Okay. Now 2 will come again. We will insert because 2 is positive and the top of the stack was also positive. No collision. This case where it is. This case positive positive. No collision happened. Now minus 5 will come. So minus 5 is negative and the top of the stack is positive. So now I will pop this. Okay, and I will compare between 2 and 5. Since 2 is less, so I will remove it. Now again I will check for 10. It is the top of the stack is positive and my current element is negative. So what we'll do, I will compare between mod of 5 minus 5 and mod of 10. Okay, since minus 5 is less, so I will remove minus 5. So my final answer will be 10. Now let's code it. I need a stack and starts if st dot empty. If it is empty, or if it is empty, so I will simply insert push I, else if it is not empty, then I will check the top of the element is less than 0 and my current I is greater, sorry, it should be greater than 0 and I should be less than 0. So what I will do, I will, and other condition it will be else I will simply in push st dot push I. Okay, so for when it is top of the element is positive and my current element is negative, so while st dot, while it is not empty, it is not empty, uh, not empty and st dot top greater than 0. So what we will do, we will simply pop it int p equals to st dot top. Okay, and we will check, we'll make a variable bool f destroyed, that my current element is destroyed or not. Destroyed equals to false. Okay, so what I will do is p equals to, sorry, I will pop the element. Okay, if my p is greater than absolute value of I, so my current element is destroyed, so destroyed equals to true. So my current element is destroyed, so I will not insert that element. Okay, I will simply insert the top of the element. Okay, so and after this I will check if destroyed. If not destroyed, then I will push I. Okay, so now I need a vector int b while not st.empty. 20 p equals to st.top v dot pushback. Now let's return v. Now let's check it. Okay, what we got is the okay. The order we got is wrong, I think. Okay, if it when it is equal, then also it will be destroyed. Okay, okay. One thing I did wrong here. If it is equal, p equal abs of I, then it will be destroyed, and we will not push anything. Okay. So once again, and I think the order will be reversed. For example, okay, first 5 is there, then 10 came. So first 10, okay, I need to reverse it. Now let's submit it. Okay, it got accepted. Now let's see the code again. What we are doing? We are simply see this code is for getting all the elements from the stack to a vector simply and reversing it. Before that, what we are doing? We are checking if stack is empty, then we will simply push it. Otherwise, we will check whether the top of the element is positive or not. If it is positive, then we will check our current element is negative. If it is negative, then we will check this. We will take a variable destroyed, which will tell us whether our current asteroid is destroyed or not. Okay, so simply we are we are doing the same thing. We are checking if it is greater than our current size is greater than our current asteroid, so we will destroy it and we'll simply push p. Otherwise we will push I. Okay, so let's analyze the time complexity. The time complexity for this is approx O of n for insert for iterating through the asteroids, and we can also say that it is O of n for this getting elements from stack to the vector. Okay, and space complexity is also O of n. That's all, everyone. Thank you. Do like and subscribe and share.